at the 2017 Detroit Auto Show, Ford confirmed that it was going to bring the Ranger back to America. And then at this year's Detroit show, Ford showed us the new Ranger. And finally today we've got an even more important milestone, with production of the 2019 Ford Ranger starting right now. The Ranger is going to be built right here in Michigan at a plant called Michigan Assembly that Ford has had since 1957. Now, the factory has built all sorts of vehicles in the past, including the Bronco, the Expedition, and the Navigator, and most recently the Ford C-Max and the Ford Focus. Over the last couple of months, Ford has spent $850 million retooling this plant so that its 3,000 employees can build the 2019 Ranger here. And we know that starting in 2020, Ford is also going to bring back the Bronco SUV and build it at this plant. Now, as a quick refresher, the 2019 Ford Ranger is a mid-size pickup truck that'll compete with things like the Chevy Colorado and Toyota Tacoma. It's got a 2.3-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It makes 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and it's got a 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford is already boasting some pretty impressive numbers for this truck. Best-in-class payload at 1,860 pounds, and at 7,500 pounds of towing, it's got the best tow rating of any of its gas engine competitors. Now today I got to go for a ride in the new Ranger around a small off-road course that Ford built in the parking lot. I got to go up and down dirt berms and over all sorts of obstacles. What I really want to do is get behind the wheel, and I'm sure you want to know how the Ranger drives too. The good news is that Roadshow is going to get behind the wheel in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned to theroadshow.com to see our full first drive review of the 2019 Ranger.